Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today I am doing a quick little updated makeup routine. It's been over a year since I did my last one, and I thought it'd be fun to give you a little update. My makeup routine is pretty minimal. It's definitely not as minimal as it could be, and there are definitely a bunch of products in here that I tend to leave out sometimes. So as I go, I will kind of let you know which products I wear whenever I do wear makeup and which products I sometimes leave out. I generally like my makeup to be quite low coverage. I don't mind that you can see that I'm wearing makeup. I don't want it to look like I'm wearing very heavy makeup or that it's changing my face a lot or that it's almost like a mask. First product I use is this primer by NYX. This is a product I would normally skip, but I have been kindly gifted this and I'm trying to use it up. As I have been with most of my makeup collection, I'm trying to slim it down just because I haven't nearly been as into makeup as I was when I was younger. But I don't like to just throw out, perfectly good products, and if it's already been opened, then I can't donate it either. So I'm just trying to use this up. And this is a really nice product. It's a very hydrating jelly primer, and it's funny because it jiggles. It's very nice and cooling in the summer as well. So then for my base, I have been using the foundation, I guess. Maybe it's more of a tinted moisturizer. It's the Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil, also by NYX. I use the color Vanilla Nude, and this is a very light coverage, light and airy, kind of creamy base product, and I really like that. I don't really like covering my skin with too much colored product. I like when it still looks like skin. So I like a bit of a lighter application that just, evens out a little bit of the redness and yeah, makes it more even. So these two products are definitely something I leave out. I'd say I only really wear those when I'm about to film videos. On kind of my off days, I wouldn't normally reach for those. So the next product I will use is some concealer, and I've been using the Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless concealer, and I just apply that underneath my eyes to cover up my dark circles a bit, and I just use a little bit. Although I must say this one does have a really great coverage, so if you are into a heavier look, then this one's definitely great for that as well. It's very buildable. Is that something anyone still says about makeup? That it's buildable? I'm so out of the whole makeup world that I've lost my lingo. I have no idea what's going on in the makeup world right now. Face makeup is done, and usually after that I like to move on to eyebrows. And for that I am still using the same eyebrow pencil that I used in my last video, which was shot over a year ago. It's the Catrice one. By the way, I will have links to all the makeup products I can find links for in the description box, so if you want to check anything out, it'll all be down there. So I just use that to fill in my eyebrows, and I have let my eyebrows grow a bit more natural in the past year, so they have been a little bit fuller, and I do like that look. I always feel like faces look the nicest when you tamper with them as little as possible, so I do actually really like this more natural eyebrow shape on myself. So what I do with this pencil is I just fill in lightly some of these sparse bits, and I do like to lengthen the end just a tiny little bit. There we go, that's the eyebrows done. So I can just comb it out with the spoolie, make it a little bit lighter, more blended. Then I go over with a setting gel, and I've been using Benefit Ready Set Brow. Almost out of, but it's still working. Neatens them up a little bit because my eyebrows tend to grow down, especially in the outsides, and it makes the bottoms a little bit uneven, so I like to glue them down with some setting product. For my eyes themselves, I can barely remember the last time I wore eyeshadow. It's just a step that I nearly always skip. I normally only wear eyeliner and mascara on my eyes. I do curl my eyelashes pretty regularly nowadays, so I will just do that really quickly. Try not to poke my eye out. My mirror is quite far away as I'm filming this, and I don't have my glasses on, so it's a little bit hard to see. I am using Benefit's roller liner in black, and I will pull my mirror closer for that because I need to be able to see what I'm doing. But honestly, it's very simple. I just do a quick winged liner. I need to keep my mirror here for the mascara as well. For that I have been using the Catrice Glam and Doll Curl and Volume Mascara, and it is so dry, but I haven't been to the drugstore since the beginning of the semi-lockdown. So I probably should head over there soon and get a new mascara, because this one on the verge of what is still acceptable. Maybe a little bit beyond it, honestly. Okay, that's the eye makeup done. By the time I've done that, usually my base will have dried out enough to go over with a powder. For the face, I like to keep it light and natural as well, so I've been using Hoola Lights by Benefit. We're still more at the start of the spring and summer season, so I feel like this one's a better fit for me right now. And then towards kind of middle, late summer, I will switch to the regular Hoola. But I just apply this kind of under my cheekbones. This just gives me a little bit of color in a rather neutral way. Doesn't add much color to my face, which is what I prefer. And then for my highlighter, I still switch out what I use, but I've mostly been going for Dandelion, and Dandelion Twinkle, that is, by Benefit. Apply that on top of my cheekbones. It's a nice, cool pink highlighter. And the last thing I apply is some lip product, and I have a couple of favorites, but I've mostly been wearing this one. This is a Maybelline Superstay 24 color lipstick in the color Pink Spice, and I just feel like this is a very flattering color on me, and I really like this product as well because it actually stays all day. I tend to eat and drink a lot during the day, and this lasts through everything, so that's amazing. This is one of those very old-fashioned two-step lip products that my mom used to use when I was little. So you have to wait a couple of seconds for it to dry and then apply the kind of lip balm on the other side. But I honestly don't mind because it works. I just wait a bit for it to go sticky and then go over with the lip balm. And the lip balm fades away pretty quickly and then you're left with much more of a matte lip. But I like both the shiny and matte versions. And that is it. Actually, that is how I have been doing my makeup on a daily basis. So if I'm not filming and I don't feel like doing a full face, because this would be a full face for me, then I will usually skip the primer, foundation, and concealer often. I will skip the eyebrow pencil, only apply the gel. I won't do the cheek products, so I will only apply eyebrow gel, eyeliner, mascara, and lipstick, and sometimes I'll skip the lipstick as well. But yeah, that is pretty much how I've been doing my makeup, and with my glasses looks something like this. So now you know. I really hope you enjoyed this quick little update video, guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!